The team came across a rare apartment building in the central corridor. This 16-unit mid-century gem is nestled between multi-million-dollar homes off of Central Avenue. The units are large and each have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. But the property is in need of a renovation to meet its full potential. The seller has owned the property for over 40 years, and although it has been well cared for, the units are dated and need a thoughtful redesign. We believe our team can take this diamond in the rough and make it shimmer for all to see. All right, so we're gonna head up to venture on Central. I'm just driving up Central Avenue. You have, Brophy, Xavier here. Central Avenue is such a fun area because you have the light rail, you have several high schools here, you have new development with these new apartment buildings coming in. Brophy, Xavier that we're driving by, just a really unique area in Phoenix. So then we have this new development, which was an office building, One Camelback. It's on Camelback in Central. Some friends of ours who are doing these luxury upscale apartments. So this used to be a high-rise office building, and now they're converting it into apartments because there's such a demand for housing. We have Uptown Plaza, which is a really cool old building that has been converted to a retail Shake Shack. And this whole part of Central now from Camelback North is like Restaurant Row. You have the Windsor, you have Federal Pizza, and it's just become this place for a really great nightlife.
So we finished going through the property, and we've had all of our experts come back to us and do their analysis. Our roof's in good condition. That's a big cost item. The pool's in good condition. There's some things we're going to change about the pool and landscaping. A lot of things on the inside of the units. So first of all, really big units. We love that. Second of all, it's got a Jack and Jill bathroom style where you have a door from 2 different bathrooms into a shared tub area. We've come up with a plan where we're going to remove this really cool old tub. So we're going to replace that with 2 showers, 2 walk-in showers, updated showers what people want. So each bathroom is going to have its own shower. Second thing we're going to do, the kitchens are big. They really are well laid out, and our plan is to replace the countertops because they're older and they're not solid surface, but the cabinets are in really good condition. So right now the plan is, I think we're going to keep the cabinets, and what we're planning on doing is refinishing the cabinets on the outside. We'll make it look beautiful. We have higher ceilings because of the way the building's built. It's a very mid-century modern property with breeze block accents around the property and planters and other unique features like sliding glass doors, Arcadia doors that go into semi-private little patio areas.
Hey Haley, how you doing?
Good, how are you, Jameson?
I'm doing good. Maybe you want to kick it off with what you're thinking for the outside?
So during the inspections, it was very easy for all of us to notice that this building has a very mid-century modern feeling to it with the windows, the roofing pitch, and all of that. So we're going to be playing with colors, textures, and shapes. So for the doors, I want to get in a pop of color. We're going to go with a bright tangerine color. And then we're going to be painting all of the existing exterior lights because they're already mid-century modern. You can find them online now for like really expensive. So I'm super excited that those are already cool.
Yeah, we noticed those when we were doing the walkthrough, and we're like, how can we keep those? Because that was one thing that I think with some new fresh paint, it keeps that character of the building with it. And I think one of the other big questions we had is the landscaping in place is actually pretty good. A lot of natural grass, a lot of trees and bushes. Yeah, so now let's talk about the inside, which we are going to have 2 bathrooms in each of the units. All the floor plans are the same, which makes it simple. What are you thinking? Let's maybe start with the kitchen.
In the kitchen, it's super exciting. This doesn't happen very often, but the cabinets are actually kind of the original mid-century modern cabinets that were installed, and they're in amazing condition.
Keep the cool cabinets. They're in great shape, as you mentioned. New countertops, new appliance package, and you have basically a brand new kitchen. Yeah, I think the key with a property like this is how to bring out the mid-century stuff with some modern touches without making it feel bland and new with all grays, you know, like some of these new things, they're just coming off the line. And from what I can see, you've done a great job with that so that this property really stands out. But it feels new, but it keeps that old touch. So about 3 weeks ago, we got this property on Central under contract. We spent the last several weeks doing due diligence. Our team went out and did inspections, and then we've since been working on our design and our financials. And now we're really excited to move forward with this project and bring it to you as our investors. So I want to begin by going over the terms of this project. It will be a 3-year project, and we're paying our normal 12% preferred return for each of those years. It will take us about 8 months to do the renovation, to get the property stabilized and leased up before we'll start distributing a 6% targeted cash return to investors. We're purchasing this property for $312,500 per unit, then we're investing $41,250 per unit to renovate the building. So our total cost is $353,750. And we expect to sell the building within the next 3 years for $430,000 per unit. The current rent on the property is anywhere from $800 to $1,200 per unit. And it's already currently well below the market rent for that area. If we didn't renovate the building at all, the market rent should be around $1,400 per unit. And after we renovate the building, we're looking at a rent between $2,000 and $2,500 per unit once the building is renovated. We're super excited to move forward with this project. Our design team is ready. Our renovation team is ready to come in and do their work. Our finance team has been busy and we've done our due diligence, and we're really confident that this is going to be another successful project. So we invite you to take a look at the materials here and invest if it's something you want to move forward with. We're excited to bring this investment to you. Thank you.